Okay, guys, so I'm about to start doing the word designs. So in the past, um, what we've done is we've taken our name and we used the letters in our name to generate a design of enclosed shapes, meaning there's no. I'll explain the enclosed shape as I go. So my name's Chuck, Chuck, Ott, so I can use any of those letters to create a design. And before I start mapping out the big design on the 11 by 14 paper like there, I'm going to do some really quick ideas and see what happens. So I'm going to start with the C first. And I'm going to go up in here and I'm just going to go right in here and just make like part of a C. It doesn't need to be the whole C, right? Clean it up so I can see what happens along the edges a little bit. See, so I have that there. And I'm going to think about an H, right? So I'm going to go in here. And I'm going to do something different in here. I'm going to go in here, there, and then I'm going to go here with the other part of the H right in here. So I'm taking liberties with my letters. That's the H. So I got CH. I like the idea of dropping a U in here. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop a U in here, kind of like CH. No, no, no. I changed my mind. I'm going to drop a K in here. I'm going to repeat this thing in here maybe. So let's do this. I'm going to drop a K in here, and it's going to go in here like this, and then up in here, and then over in here, right? So I go there, I look at that, and I go like, okay, that's not bad. I'm going to keep with that. I like that as a design. That has some interesting possibilities. All right, so back to the closed shapes. All of these are closed shapes in here, meaning there's no end, like the line doesn't come through in here and end. All right, we want to keep it all in closed shapes like that. All right, so let's go with another one. Let me think about T's with odd. All right, so I'm going to go in here and start in here, and I'm not just going to draw them straight across. I'm going to put them on an angle to create some movement. So now that's an open shape in there, right? I don't want that. So I'll put another T in here, and I'm going to go up in there. And I know I have another open shape, but I'm going to take care of that. I've got an idea here. And then I'm going to go in here with this across here all the way. There's my two T's, right? And then I'm going to go in here with the O for odd, but I'm only going to use part of it. All right? And there's my second one. All right, there's my second one. So all I have is dealing with is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shapes, right? So we'll go here. Now I started those horizontal. Now I'm going to go vertical, right? So let's think about this. What if we do this in here with some other letters? The H. Let's think here, but let's give it a small H, and we'll have some fun with it. We'll come out in here, down into here, there to there. H. Oh, let's do a capital A in here and see what happens. So we'll go in here like this, and then we'll go, here's the other side of the A in there, and then let's put the crossbar for it. Well, let's move it all the way down in here. All right. Oh, and I go like that, and I go like, oh man, that's just fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's eight shapes I have to deal with when I get down to painting it, right? So there's three of them, and then let's go think about the S in here. So because I'm Charles, right? So we'll come in here and do that first. I like that idea. Whoop, whoop. All right. So there's the S. Oh, and let's think about an E. And let's go like this with the E. Oh, let's put it over in here. And here. Here. And here. So you see how I'm taking liberties with those letters? So I've got the S, the E. Oh, and I like the idea of the R, but I'm going to drop the R in here like this. Aw, Chuck. There. There. So there's my 4 designs I came up with, my thumbnails, right? So now I take some time, look at them, and go, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get my 2 pieces of paper out. I got them taped down. I'm looking at which ones I want to use. Now it's up to you. So I would do this first. I do the thumbnails first, right? 4 boxes on 11 by 14. Take any letters of your name, make some shapes, keep them all enclosed, and then take an idea and go like, you know what? I like this one. And I'm going to go in there and I'm going to go, maybe, you know what? I'm going to cheat a little bit if I can find it really fast. I'm going to get a ruler and go in there and go here first. Then I'm going to go, here's my R in here. Maybe I'm going to change it up some. There to there. I'm going to put that S in there. And then the E. There. And there's my first one. And I'm going to do one with paintbrushes. And I'm going to do the other one with a palette knife. And we're going to follow the same approach that we did with the grids. 2 layers. 1 layer, and then we'll get into how you make adjustments and push the painting along to the road markers that we're going to be talking about. All right, guys? Thanks a lot.